Organic coriander seeds benefits include 1. Digestion. Coriander exerts an antioxidant and antispasmodic effect on the digestive system. They reduce gas formation and stimulate the production of bile and various enzymes that aid digestion. It helps with constipation, bloating, and reduces the risk of stomach ulcers. 2. Diabetes. It may help increase insulin production in the body, and this increase balances blood sugar levels in diabetics. It also helps with weight loss and helps if you are overweight and diabetic. 3. Cholesterol. Coriander, in its many forms, helps reduce bad cholesterol levels while boosting good cholesterol in the body. This reduces the incidence of arterial plaque formation and improves heart health, as also decreasing the risk of strokes. Plaque formation can result in clots that can cause heart attacks and brain strokes. 4. Blood pressure. Traditional medicine and folklore remedies often extol the health benefits of organic coriander seeds in regulating blood pressure. Linalool in coriander is the main substance that helps relax muscles and improves blood flow. This is a major factor in reducing high blood pressure, which may cause heart attacks and strokes. 5. Bacterial infections. Dodecanol, an ingredient found in both coriander leaves and seeds, helps combat bacterial infections caused by food pathogens like Salmonella, E. coli, and Staphylococcus aureus. Other compounds in coriander are also effective in fighting eye infections like conjunctivitis and improving eye health, including age-related macular degeneration and other vision disorders. 6. Inflammation. The compounds in coriander have a protective effect thanks to their antioxidative properties. They protect the liver against damage caused by various drugs and also help with inflammatory disorders like arthritis. While coriander seeds are effective when eaten and added to foods or had as a tea, a poultice made with coriander seeds and applied locally can ease the pain of arthritis. 7. Anemia. Corianders are a rich source of iron. Since iron helps prevent and combat anemia, including coriander seeds in your diet will go a long way to prevent anemia. Since capsules containing iron do not suit everyone and may have side effects, using iron from natural sources is more beneficial. 8. Brain health. As the many compounds in organic coriander prevent nerve damage, they can help protect against Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and even improve concentration and memory. Linalool in coriander also safeguards against seizures and reduces the impact of generalized anxiety disorders. 9. Urinary tract infections. Women, more than men, are often plagued by urinary tract infections. The active substances in coriander seeds improve kidney function, leading to lower urinary retention and faster output. This reduces the effect of urinary tract infections since it flushes out toxins and pathogens quickly. How to use coriander to get its benefits. Coriander can be added to many dishes, soups, stews, gravies, and even toasted lightly and eaten as a snack. You can coarsely crush coriander seeds and add them to rice and potato dishes, rotis and naans, and even breads and bread rolls. Whole or coarsely crushed organic coriander seeds can be infused into water and, when this is drunk, it is an immunity booster. The strained seeds can still be used. The coriander powder is usually added to curries and dry vegetable and non-veg dishes and is a valuable addition to blended spice mixes like garam masala, sambar powder, kitchen-kind masala, chicken masala, and many other mixed spices. Leaves of fresh green coriander are often used as a garnish in many foods, and their vibrant green color and taste add to the appeal of the dishes besides providing many antioxidant properties. Green leaves and stalks can also be made into a chutney or added to salsas. Finely chopped green coriander can be added to soups and sauces just before serving. Since you can use coriander in many ways, it is a good idea to include organic coriander seeds in your diet and reap its multiple health benefits. Thank you for watching the video, hope you found it helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel.